Hi, hello everyone. Today we'll discuss about how to cut with multi-layers. So hope you all are good. So today we come with a freshest haircut which is most demandable, similarly like 90-degree haircut. So this is one of the most requirable who wants to be save the length, and apart from that they want to be create multiple layers and they want to be more bouncier looks and all. So this is one of the recommendable video for them. And most of the hairdressers, they do with different haircuts and according their styles and all. That's also to be one of the best apart from all the professional ways. So crown part, it will be completely separated, and just side section also is taken by one side, and another side also is just taken to the same thing we following up. So before make to the any haircuts, you should and just we divided to the center profile, back side, and all. Just again to crown portion we just take it with separate nape area. And why we just taking to the subsections, because the sectionings which is can makes it consistent after the proper haircut finishing, and you can just give good ideas and all. So we start to the one length basic haircut as of now. Just bit after the trim to the accordingly, you can just trim it out and start top of that with the creating to the layers on it. So simply just take to the central profile section in nape area and just leaving a bottom length rest of the hair, just creating to the converting to layers. The same thing we can just in thin section, we just following up to the vertical sections. Multi-layer haircuts, how to do, they will be most of the people ask, and I would like to recommend for all of them. This is one of the best video for who wants to be learn a good haircuts. Now just almost bottom portion is done. We just reduce to take next section up to the crown area. Pinch up to the bottom guidelines we can just do, and just rest of the hair we just connecting with the crown portions. Just this haircuts is completely connecting according to the lifting to the 90-degree haircuts. Nothing a 90-degree positions. Wherever it will be guideline visible, just follow the previous guidelines, and rest of the hair cut off it. And you must remember in this haircuts you have to follow the vertical sections, not in triangle or parallel sections. So one side is done and another side we just taking back to the same way of techniques. I hope so the previous videos you a lot of enjoyed a different kind of the haircuts. Why? Because consistently we can just give to the trying to finishing up to the each and every haircut pin to pin points to be make them to understand for towards new hairdressers and also well beginners. For this is one of the best practice for to learn about these platforms. Now we came back to the side section and just creating again one length basic, and just we following the same technique with the behind and rest of the hair just connecting back with help of the layers. I hope so guys you liked the previous videos and these videos also. If you have any doubts, please comment, and if you what and all is need to be improved on these videos and any other questions or any other suggestions will be there, please let me know in the comments below. And now we come with another side again. So whenever you'll cut the hair, just I just took with a 90-degree again to the haircuts which completely, and just taking to section by section with thin section by vertical ways, and rest of the hair converting towards to the layers, and we are saving to the intention of leave with saving the length as well. Will be there, any other doubts will be there, please let me know comments below. In this video I'm just keeping good effort for everyone for bringing up good knowledge. Now we came back with the crown sections completely and then dividing to the side by side, then center profile we took, just reconnecting back with the back portions and all. Just we take to the crown sections to be connected, and another side we just coming to the in front forward. Drop it down and take it up to the next section like this. So don't try to be hold at a time all hair, because it will be bulk up to the sectioning. When you will be cutting to the hair, it will go to messing up it will be completely mess up. So try to be take less sections, how much you can balanceable and holding possibilities. Accordingly you can just take to the thin sections for it. And also you hope you all are watching this video experts only. I think so, but the beginners I used to want to be they just try to be watch videos consistently with understand about the haircut basis. Now we completely done to the haircut. We can just shaking up to the layers in wet look and just before the blow dry, and you can see the multiple waves and layers and all, and you can just see the movement up to the difference of good. Now we can just start up to the messy blow dry. Completely root shoot to be lifting up to the root to ends up to the boosting up to the volume in the roots, and layers will be automatically comes out well. Subscribers to my channels, I just keeping with the new updated videos. Trying to be pushing to the different haircut videos in professional ways. The only thing you guys must be support me. If you can just according quotes, definitely we will be bring back with a different kind of haircuts and new knowledge we're bringing up to the in front of you all guys. Thank you for the supporting. I think so it will be done to the blow dry, even though now we completely finish it up to the blow dry. And just hold up to the lifting up to the towards to the tail section. You can just blow up in the opposite way, then it will be layers completely exposed well, and you can see the movement up to the massive good look. See now. So in this is why don't we do the blow dry, because this is synthetic hair, it will be. So hope you all are enjoyed this video. In this case, if you have any other questions, please comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and we'll be meet up to the next video. Till then, be safe, take care of yourself, bye.